see.
Uh-oh. That's not going to work. Need some help?
That's not a horse. Not a pig, sis.
Want to see what else you've got? He brought you last your stuff.
I gotta go, it sounds like.
Put it in there. Say bye-bye. We'll see you in a minute.
Jack, can you get out and help Barney for a minute? He's got a toy. Can you find Barney's toy and give it to him? Santa brought Barney a toy.
That's not a cow. The rooster, sis.
What was that? What's a rooster say?
That's the rooster.
What was that?
To airplane, you hear it?
Rooster, sis.
I think Addie likes her toy too.
What was that?